Hello, my name's Dave Rogers and I'm the president at SUNY Morrisville. And since we take adequate precautions, I'm going to remove my mask. But I do want all of you to know that in spite of all the challenges of this COVID virus, Morrisville has responded in typical fashion by becoming very innovative, and we've become a leader in helping to protect each other. All of our faculty and students learn to be very innovative and responsive to changing conditions like we've exhibited with the virus. We like to think of ourselves as being Mustang strong, and this device, this face covering, in these recent months has proven to be a valuable asset. So what have we done to be Mustang strong? At each dorm, we have engaged in wastewater treatment analysis. Each week, we monitor the outflow so that we can get an early warning detection on the virus. We follow up with the pooled saliva testing. We have other testing that we conduct in the clinic if any student or faculty member shows symptoms. And thankfully, our precautions and our methods of testing and providing for safety of the students have met with positive outcomes. Yes, we have had a few cases, but we have been able to quarantine and isolate those cases, and so our efforts at keeping the virus at bay have been very successful. We have responded with innovative and profound methods of monitoring this virus.